How to change Facebook Messenger language. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, go ahead and open Messenger on your phone. Then tap on three lines on the top left corner. Then tap on settings in the top right corner. Here you will not see any settings that will change Facebook Messenger language. So to change the language of Facebook Messenger, what you need to do is you need to change the phone's built-in language. That is, you need to change the overall system's language. For that, go to the settings, scroll down and tap on general. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on language and reason. After that, on the top you can see iPhone language. You have to go ahead and change it to change Facebook Messenger language. Now you can choose any of the language here. That is different languages available here. You can also change the reason and the calendar here. So one thing that you have to understand is to change Facebook Messenger language, you have to change the entire phone system language. And that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.